Ladies Open final hit.
Ladies Open, here we go. 30-second board stop. 15 seconds. Start the game.
All shot by Charlotte Gagliardi. Followed by Kulot. Jeanette Olanda.
Honda Philippines. Salade from Honda Philippines. Followed by AJ Kulot.
Oh, grabe Kulot oy.
Followed by Jeanette Olanda. Followed by Internacion. Followed by Rosie Quirol. Followed by Diaz. Riders down, Charles Lauron. Riders down, Charles Lauron. Riders down, nagana na. Oy, pwede mo babang ha, ladies team. Pwede mo babang, pwede mo babang. Lady, na, ladies team. Salamat kayo, Lord Pilot na. Lord Pilot, from Silent Galete, BB9-0. That is the Lord Pilot. And also, last call na yan. Last call, beginners open. Pasok kayo lahat. Wala nang pagkak sa qualifying na. Wala nang pagkak qualifying. Pasok kayo lahat. Beginners open. And also, the ladies starting here sa below. Get ready na yan sa waiting area. And also, 65cc. Ayan, still on lead. That is Charlotte Gallardi, the pride of the next Nicholas, riding from Team Honda Philippines. That is Charlotte Gallardi. Ayan na, follow from Team GRT Racing Team from Marines Cebu. That is Encarnacion, riding from 4th place. For the 5th place. Okay. Okay, rising from Team Honda Philippines. That is ayan na po si Charlotte Gallardi, followed by EJ Kulot ng Team Gimaras. Feed and pressure.